Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you guys my updated wash and go routine. This is probably like my fifth wash and go of the year because I have not styled my natural hair, but yes, it is shorter. I cut it, but this is what we're working with. So if you are interested in how I achieve this defined wash and go, please keep on watching. Hey guys, we are back with a natural hair video. So today we are diving deep into wash day. So y'all, I have one curl my hair and then humidity just took over, but I also put a spritz in my hair. So y'all, I had to wash my hair. Okay, so I took this Curls Blueberry Bliss hair wash and I tried to use this to really wash out my hair and clean my hair, but I needed a little bit more of a lather because y'all, if y'all use spritz, y'all know anytime y'all get them ponytails, them bust down bit apart little ninja buns in the back, y'all know you gotta shampoo like twice. So I took my Living Proof curl shampoo and washed my hair a second time. Then after that, I took my Living Proof curl conditioner and used it to detangle my hair with my tangle teaser. So y'all, I kid you not, this conditioner goes a long way. Like a little bit goes a long way. So I was able to detangle my hair with ease because it has a nice slip. It's nice and thick. Like, I love a conditioner that's thick, okay? And this one was doing it for me. Look at the curls, they giving juicy, okay? So this is my favorite part of wash day, is rinsing out my conditioner on some nice, fresh, clean curls. Alright y'all, so I am out the shower and now it's time to style this hair. It is barely damp, almost a little dry. I don't have my little spray bottle with me, but I'm gonna use some foam mousse to kind of keep it wet. So I'm just gonna section off my hair. And I like to start in the back, and I go ahead and section that even further, because you want to make sure you're doing manageable pieces. So y'all like my new glasses? So I'm gonna take a little bit of this Edge Booster Moisture Rich Shine, Extra Shine and Moisture Rich Foam Mousse, and I'm just doing 2 little squirts just because a little goes a long way with this. And then taking my tangle teaser and just detangling my hair. So to really seal in the moisture, I'm gonna take my pink, this is the Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion. And first of all, you see what that setting mousse did to my curls? It literally defined them, added moisture and all that. So I'm going in with this Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion just to really add that moisture to my hair. From here, my hair is nice and moisturized. Look at the shrinkage. We have trimmed all of our like damaged ends. So yes, my hair is shorter if y'all haven't got the PSA. And now I'm going in with my Wet Line Extreme. This is affordable and it get the job done. Like, if you're looking for an affordable, good gel, Wet Line is the one to try. I'm just taking some of this gel and then raking it on. I like to make sure I get it from roots to ends, because this is how I get my wash and goes to last long. So I'm just brushing through, making sure the hair is fully coated, and then we'll go in and just kind of shingle my hair. This one I'll show y'all an alternative to shingling it. So I just get like about the same size you would flat iron if you were straightening your hair. And then I just get my gel and I work it from, again, roots to end. Make sure the end is coated nice and well. And then I get like a brush like my Tangle Teaser, brush it from the top, all the way from the top, all the way to the end. And if you turn the brush as you do it, that'll kind of get the curls starting to curl. Now sometimes it will clump your curls like this, so you can go back in and separate those. But it's a great way to kind of shingle your hair without shingling your hair. I really want to see what it would look like if I did a wash and go just with the foam mousse, because the foam mousse really like moisturize my hair. But I'm nervous because I've never done that before, and I'm not sure if it'll have the hold that I'm used to. Okay, this is one side. I gotta do this side. Alright y'all, so I'm back. Both sides of my hair are finished. You can tell this side has already started shrinking. This side I just finished. What I'm about to do right now, it is 9:28 p.m. I am going to go make dinner because I haven't ate dinner just yet. So I'm gonna go make dinner, and then what I like to do is either like kind of let my hair air dry for the first 20-30 minutes or go do something, and I also like to set it under a hooded dryer. So I'm probably gonna go make my dinner first because it's late, and then I'll sit under my hooded dryer. Then after that, I like to follow up with my diffuser or like my regular blow dryer. So I'll show you guys that, but right now I'm about to go eat. Alright y'all, it's the next day and this is what my hair looks like. I really didn't do anything to it today except for have it up in a puff. I have not picked it or anything. So like day one after my hair is done with no manipulation outside of making sure it's fully dry, this is what it looks like. It's giving Jerry curl. It's not giving. And so from here, the way you kind of like add that volume is by picking out your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. And I typically section it in the same way that I do when I apply the product. So one thing I like to do is break the cast with oil, and I kind of did this last night. This oil is the TGIN Miracle Repair oil. I'll link it in the description box. I like to rub the oil between my fingers and then like praying hands method to kind of like break that cast and soften the curls. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna pick out one side of my head. Now there's a lot of different picks in this world. I have my Pattern Beauty pick, and your plastic picks are gonna give you more volume with less frizz. Your metal picks are gonna give you more definition with a little bit of volume. So I'm gonna start off with my metal pick first. I'm gonna grab this section of my hair. And what I like to do is preserve the ends, because if you preserve the ends of your hair, then it's gonna look a little bit more defined, even though you're fluffing the roots. So I'm just taking this pick and fluffing the roots, and I'm just really dragging it until it kind of stops. So when I let it go immediately, it don't drop back down. Why? Because your roots are fluffed more. So that's just by fluffing the roots with that pick. I'm going with my pattern pick, and I'm gonna do just a little bit towards the ends. I'm not raking all the way through, but just a little bit towards the ends to add some volume. And so as you can see, now my hair has more volume and shape. This is more flat. So again, we're going to do the same thing on this side. The pick preference is to each his own. I just like me a good pick. Already we got a lot more volume than we did before. Okay, so now we got like a semi-fro. From here, if you want to go the extra mile and stretch your hair, you can with a blow dryer, and that's what I like to do. So I'm gonna do that again, resectioning it the same way. It's almost like you keep starting over at the same spot. Do that. So you see how it kind of lays in a nice shape. Now this is if you want a little bit more hang time. You do not have to do this. This is just what I like to do, especially since I cut my hair. This makes me feel better because it doesn't seem as short. See how nicely it just falls when you stretch it? So when it comes to this top portion, I try not to stretch too crazy because I want to be able to see. I want the curly bangs vibe. So sometimes I'll just leave it as is, or I'll just do a touch at the top so it's a little bit flatter. So that's how we're looking. You also can pick even further. This is like the true day one. This is how I would normally wear my hair, but like I said, because I'm trying to make it be in its prime on Saturday, I figured I could wait a day to really fluff it out. So this is what my hair currently looks like. Again, you can go back in and fluff with your pick, and it's easy to get volume with that pick. Like just lifting the roots there did all of that, and I haven't even like done much, so it gives it a little more lift. Alright guys, so I did my makeup and let my hair back down, and this is what my updated wash and go looks like. Sometimes I wear my hair like this. I just had it in a side part like this, which I also think is very cute. So this is like a day one look at what my wash and go would look like. I definitely, it grows over time. Plus, like as it gets bigger, I keep stretching it. Like when I start my day and refresh my curls, so that it can hang nicely as well. So yeah, this is my current wash and go. I've really been wearing it like this more often than not, just because I think it's kind of vibey. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about my current wash and go routine. Like, what are y'all favorite wash and go products or combinations? Let me know in the comment section below. I love y'all so very much. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, all those things. And y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye y'all. It's Slim Reshae. All about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.